What's up, Vancouver? Thomas the Jockey, Mortgage Advisor. Hope you're having a good week. I'm going to share something with you that's a little bit boring and a little bit drab, but hey, it has to be mentioned because I'm in the business. Rates. 5-year fixed rate mortgages going up, in case you haven't heard. It'll start with the Royal Bank of Canada announcing this week that they'd be raising their 5-year fixed rate mortgage in some cases to over 3%, which for us is new territory after some time. And I can tell you that other lenders are starting to follow suit. And the range of the increase so far this week has been somewhere in the range of 10 to 40 basis points on the 5-year fixed rate mortgage. Now, why is this happening? Well, I'll give you a hint. Down south in the United States last week, something happened that was huge. It's going to be great. People are going to love it. That's right. Donald Trump got elected the 45th president of the United States. And U.S. markets are surprisingly reacting quite favorably. One of the offshoots of that is that bonds got killed and then bond yields went up. And let me just translate that to you in plain English. Banks and other lenders, when they borrow money to lend out, they borrow from bondholders. And so if the rate on a bond goes up, they're going to pass on that cost to you and I, the mortgage borrower. And what does that look like in practice? Well, let's take a $100,000 mortgage and let's look at the monthly payment difference. So last week, if you were getting a 5-year fixed at 2.44%, your monthly payment was $445. Now, at 2.64%, which is a pretty typical increase, and by the way, a 20 basis point increase is smack in the middle and very prevalent this week. This monthly payment goes up from $445 to $455. What's the difference? $10 per month per $100,000 in mortgage debt. Not a big deal. I mean, interest is interest, but at the end of the day, it's not a big deal. I mean, it's something to keep an eye on if you're thinking about buying or refinancing or locking in your variable rate mortgage or whatever the case may be, because, you know, what's going to happen next? I don't know. Because this happened exactly at the same time last year, I got to tell you. You know, bond rates went up for some reason, and so did 5-year fixed rate mortgages, and all of us in the business thought, that's it, pack it up. That's the end of historically low mortgage rates in Canada. But this summer, this spring, rates came back down, not only to the same levels, but even lower than what they were last summer. Unbelievable. So all we can do is keep an eye on it if it's in the context for you of buying, purchasing, refinancing, or locking in your variable rate mortgage. And here's how I do it with my clients. I'm going to share it with you today. Clients who are already subscribed, I'm sorry, but here we go. This is my texting system. You text the word rates to this number, 393939. And that is, by the way, me. That's not some offshore spam bot outfit in God knows where. That's me actually receiving your text messages. And what I do is I compile a list of the very best rates for the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1-year fixed rate mortgage and the 5-year variable, 3-year variable rate mortgage from my head office. And every time I get a new bulletin from them where the best rate for any given product changes for better or for worse, I will recompile the information. I will text it to you. I promise. The only thing I will text to you is rates. You're not going to get top 10 mincemeat pie recipes for Christmas or how to tile your kitchen backsplash. I promise to you, it's only going to be rates. So that kind of says it for all this week. Rates are going up 10 to 40 beeps because of what happened down south. In practice, not a big deal, but it's something to watch because we don't know what's happening next. So there are ways to stay in touch with what's going on here if it fits your scenario. Purchase, refinance, lock in. And that's stuff like this. Rates to 393939. Talk to your mortgage broker. Share this video with your friends, family, realtor, anyone in your world who is circling the world of purchasing or refinancing a home. Thank you for your time. Get on with your life. Don't worry about this. Automate. We'll take care of it.